Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application build with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the description down below. At the end of this video, we'll be able to edit and delete testimonial. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make this button link workable. When we click on this button, we need to take the user to the edit testimonial page. So let's make this button workable by going on our testimonials folder in index.blade.php. Over here, add an href tag with root admin dot testimonials dot edit and passing our testimonial ID. Let's add the style test decoration none. We haven't created this root, so let's create it by going on our roots in web.php file. Over here, duplicate this root. It will be get. It will direct us to the admin testimonials edit path. The function in our controller will be edit, and the root name will be admin testimonials.edit. Now let's create this edit function in our testimonial controller. So let's go in our testimonial controller. Over here, create our function edit, which gets the variable ID, create a variable testimonial, which will find testimonial by his ID. And then return the view to our admin.testimonials.edit with compact testimonial. We haven't created this edit view, so already created in our testimonials folder. Create a file called edit.blade.php. In this edit file, extend layouts.admin.base and add a session content. With title, hello. Now when we click on this button link, we are redirected to the admin/testimonial/edit path on the edit page. As you can see, you see our hello message. Alright, now we need to add the designed template, alright, because we need to use the same form when we create a testimonial or edit a testimonial. So let's go in our edit.blade.php and then include our admin.testimonials.form. Now, as you can see, when we click on this edit button, we see our form here, but we need to make some change. For example, instead over here create, we need to add edit. So Let's do that by going in our form.blade.php. Over here, add a condition. If form mode equal edit, show edit testimonial. Otherwise, show create testimonial. Ready, copy this, paste it over here. Here it will be update, and over here it will be save. I'll copy this, add to this button over here. Now let's go in our create.blade.php. Over here, add a form mode. Create. In edit.blade.php, over here, add form mode edit. Now when we click on this edit button, we are redirected to our edit page. Alright, as you can see, it is edit testimonial. Alright, now we are going to fill out this form. So let's go back in our form. Over here, add a vary with condition. If testimonial name is exist, show the testimonial name. Otherwise, show nothing. Let's copy this, paste it on these inputs. Here it will be function. Let's copy this, paste it on this test area tag. Here it will be testonomy. And over here it will be rating. On this image tag, if testimonial image is exist, we are going to show the image from images folder on public directory. Otherwise, show the image from the template. Now, as you can see, we finished to fill out this form. Now we are going to look around on a save or make change to this form and save it to our database. So let's go in our edit.blade.php. Over here, add a form with method post. The action route will be admin.testimonials.update. And passing our testimonial ID. Add over here a link type multipath form data. Over here, add SSREF token. Add a method patch. And then close this form over here. We haven't created this root, so recreate it by going in our roots folder in web.php. Duplicate this line. Here it will be patch, and over here it will be update, and the root name it will be admin.testimonials.update. Now let's create this function update in our testimonial controller. Over here, create our function update. Which you get request and variable ID. Now let's create the testimonial, which will find our testimonial by ID. Now let's go in our store function, copy this and paste it over here, and go back in our store function, copy this and paste it over here. Here, let's add a condition. If request image is different with null, we are going to create a new image. And we need to remove the existing image in our images directory. So I have already created the logic. So let's go in our project controller, copy this and paste it over here, and then change here to testimonials, to testimonial. All right. Now let's change over here to testimonial update. Now let's go in our browser, make some change over here. As you can see, we finished to see how to update our testimonial. Now we are going to walk around on delete testimonial. The first thing we need to do is to make this button workable. So let's go in our index.blade.php. Over here, add a form with ID, testimonial ID. Add a method post with action roots. Admin.testimonials.destroy, and passing our testimonial ID. Over here, add SSLF token and a method delete. On this button, we are going to add an action on a click, which will return a pop-up box, which will help us to confirm delete or not. And then go over here and close this form. We haven't created this root, so already create it by going in our web.php file, Over here, duplicate this root. It will be delete. The function will be destroy. The root name will be admin.testimonials.destroy. We haven't created the destroy function in our testimonial controller, so let's create it. Go over here, create our destroy function, and passing the ID. Create a variable testimonial, which will find our testimonial by ID. And then delete our testimonial. When we delete this testimonial, now we are going to be redirected to our admin.testimonials.index. A flash message, testimonial deleted. Now we need over here, when we delete our testimonial, we need also to delete the image in our images folder. So let's use this logic. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Alright. Now let's go in our index.bread.php. Now, alright, let's just now add a style on these buttons. So let's go in our index.bread.php. Add a style, display in line. Alright. Now you see we finished to add this style, so we'll delete. When we click on this button link, this delete button, as you can see, you see our pop-up box and you confirm delete or not. So as you can see, our testimonial has been deleted. We finished to see how to delete a testimonial. Now we are going to end this tutorial by make this link workable. When we click on this link, we need to take a user to the admin testimonials page. So let's go in our resources, on views, on layouts, on admin, in the sidebar.play.php. Now let's go in our testimonial link, add the URL admin/testimonials. And then copy this class, paste it over here, and change here to testimonials. Alright, as you can see, our testimonial link is work. So let's stay here on this tutorial. In upcoming video, we will see how to display our messages from database. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.